Hey guys, what is local SEO? You have started a business in an area, but local people doesn't know you, who you are. So in a sense, I can say that you don't have any word of mouth. Your neighbors don't know you, your surrounding don't know you, and you have started a business. What's the point? The point is you are locally invisible. If I go to the definition, local SEO is the process of optimizing your online presence to attract more business from relevant local searches. So, for example, people search something and they find you. If I go more details, for example, you have a sanitary business, you sell sanitary products. So, whenever people search sanitary, your business address should come up. This is how you do local SEO. Now, what's the benefit? The benefits I can say in not three words, in three terms: increase foot traffic, improve local online visibility, drives target leads. You need leads to do business. Now another question is how I'll do the local SEO. I think there's 4 key elements on that. First, you must have a Google My Business. Other than that, you don't have any online presence. You must have local keywords on your website, on your business page, on your Google My Business. You also should have an option of customer reviews, and you also should have local backlinks. Thank you very much. Follow PandaMaxMarketing. Thank you.